see the doctor.
May I have your name?
My name is Naurati Hadanita.
Maybe you can fill out the registration form.
Okay, thank you.
Please wait in waiting room.
Alright, thank you so much. Good morning, how can I help you?
Good morning, I want to see the doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't have an appointment.
May I have your name?
Okay, my name is Nora Faiz.
Please fill out this registration form.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, please wait in the waiting room.
Okay.